In today's video, we are going to be on the 2018 Father's Day tractor ride for the Patterson Historical Society. This was our first annual ride that started in Wesley and ended at the old museum that was located in Vernalis. Unfortunately, I lost quite a bit of video over the years, so bear with me for this tour. We start up by the Wesley Airfield and quickly follow along the West Stanislaus lateral distribution canal. The previous field on the left that was open was watermelons, and right now we're looking at on the left are tomatoes. We're now coming up on the old lift canal that lifts water from the San Joaquin River and distributes it to a number of lateral canals. This pumping plant was originally built in 1925 and is being replaced by more modern pumps. We're now coming up on a apricot packing operation. The apricots are packed in these wooden boxes and sent to the packing shed where they're sent off to the stores. Here we are on one of the distribution lateral canals that takes water to the various farms. And here's one of the old abandoned turnouts. These are being replaced by drip systems that are no longer being used. Up ahead on the left is a field of baby lima beans. There's another melon field, and there's a feedlot operation on the right. We were coming up on a John Deere 3020 high crop, and this is kind of how they look in the area around here. And here would be another lima bean field, followed by some more melons. Followed by a Caterpillar D521J with a ditcher. Here we are at the Rising Sun School, which is an ag academy for the Patterson School District. And we have some local memorabilia from the El Soyo Ranch, which is local to this area, and the airfield. We're now heading into was the old El Soyo Ranch. Here's a local collection that came from the San Jose area originally. And here's another set of John Deere bees that are set up for cultivating, kind of how they were back in the day. One of the tractors has a Kilifer style cultivator and the other has Oxnard style cultivators. Here we are back at the old museum, getting ready for our barbecue, and please like, subscribe, and tell us what tractors you like. And I'll have some more Father's Day tractor ride videos coming out in the next few weeks, leading up till this year's Father's Day tractor ride, where I'll have a live stream.